Hi, we will start with 2D window tools. These ones are for creating and editing patterns. These are for adding sewing lines, texturing and adding top stitch. First of all, we select and move pattern with a transform pattern tool. If you want to select the line, point or edge, just use Z editing pattern tool. Let's learn how to use them by creating a simple garment. To create a new pattern from the shape, you can use this tool. Just click and hold the icon. For our simple garments, we need to create pattern with polygon tool. Click left mouse button and create pattern. If you have no idea about pattern, you can take any reference from Google. Just finish it on starting point. If you want to adjust the shape, just select the point with left click and adjust. For curve shape, press C. Front side is ready. Select it and you will see a gizmo tool. You can move an object with red, green and blue arrow. We need same pattern on back side. Press A, select the pattern, right click and click on symmetric pattern with sewing, or you can use shortcut key Ctrl plus D. Arrange it on back side. Now you need to sew it. We have a few sewing tools. I prefer segment sewing tools because it's easy to use. Just click on the edge to add sewing line and click on another part edge in right direction. If you have crossed line, it means that one of the sewing lines have wrong direction. Just simulate it once you are done.